Na hindi ko pa pala napapakita sa inyo amenities maliban dito sa ating gym. So, I wanna show you.
Run with Daddy! Daddy's gone!
Ayun ang lakad natin.
Ate not here!
Ano yung namiss si Mommy?
And I only wish for one thing, to grow old with you.
Good morning! Lakad kami. Maaga kami ngayon. What time is it? Can you check Daddy's phone? What time it is? Lagyan ko lang ng ice yung water ng kids. And then, lalabas na kami. 5:50 na. We have to go na. Lagyan ko lang ng ice yung water nila. Malamig na naman. Kaya lang, syempre, pag lumabas tayo, medyo doon na banda. Natatanggal na yung lamig niyan. So, maganda kapag may ice. Anyway, come on. So, where's your stroller? Where's your trolley?
Put on the seatbelt.
Huh?
Seatbelt.
Put your seatbelt. Oh, Ate, can you help me with the seatbelt, please?
Why do mommy?
Yeah.
Why do brush?
Toothbrush.
Why do brush?
Goodbye, toothbrush.
Yeah.
What? I want pandesal. Okay, where's the pandesal? Point. Where's the pandesal? There. Okay. Ate's not here. He's looking for Ate. Only Kuya. Nahanap niya si Ate. Bye. Bye, Kuya. What's that? Pandesal. Sitting in the trolley. Is it yummy pandesal? Yeah. Can you give another one? Good morning guys. It's now 6 o'clock na. And finally nakalabas tayo before 7. Usually kasi 7 o'clock kami bago makalabas. So may init-init na. Ngayon it's a perfect time. Pag pauwi namin mga mga 7 o'clock. But at least light lang yung init. And like pag bumabalik kami, pag malisin na 7 mga 8 or 9. Sobrang init na. Atat na kami ma-open na yung swimming pool. Para makakapag may ibang activities na yung mga bata. Also, yung playground. Mamaya daan tayo. Ito ko sa inyo. Sarado pa kasi. Hindi pa tapos. I mean, meron pa silang ginagawa sa kabilang tower. So, nakakover pa yung yung pool at saka yung playground. Pero tapos na yun. Ready na yun sila. I-open. Talagang may naantay na lang matapos. Anyway, kailangan natin ma-open yon kasi para hindi nababagot yung mga bata. Ayan. Another thing na notice namin dito, dahil maliit lang yung aming parang ano, mabilis lang siya palamigin ng aircon ano. So naka-on lang talaga yung aircon namin sa gabi. And during the day, we don't have to have it on. Unlike doon sa bahay, 24 hours kailangan meron kami naka-on na aircon. Lalo na yung 2 HP sa baba. Kaya pinakamababa namin kuryente doon was 12. Tapos iba pa yung dalawang aircon ng bedroom. So, since hiwalay kami ng rooms sa mga bata, yung aircon namin doon, syempre dalawa din sa gabi. Kasi sobrang init talaga. Hindi kaya ng electric fan lang. Dito, giniginaw yung mga bata. So, midnight, pinapatay ko yung aircon. Tapos nagpa-fan na lang. So, excited ako kung malaman kung magkakano yung bill natin sa electricity dito. Yeah.
Is there rain?
A little bit. Yeah, it rained a little bit. Come on. Walk. Need exercise too, baby. Go. 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 No, you have to walk. You said you're walking. Go with your brother.
Okay.
Come on.
I'm gonna get you little gingerbread man.
Careful. Come on.
I'm gonna get you little gingerbread man.
Careful. This way, anak. This way. Whoa. Whoa.
Oh my god, I got new space to go through.
You upset?
What?
No, walk fast.
How old are you when you went?
No, because the kids.
No water
Would you rather me walk with you or walk with the kids?
for me?
Then I
Okay.
Any water?
Drink your water there by the chair where the seats are. No, 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 no. Walk with, run with daddy. Daddy's gone. Go, go get daddy. Go get daddy. Pagod na si ate. You tired? Do you wish you brought your scooter? Come on. Aiden. Do you know how to open your... No, no, no. Do you know how to open your water bottle? Is it still cold?
the water pizza.
No, I put ice in it. Drink. It's still water. Drink water. No more bookstore, huh?
Bookstore.
Oh, drink water. More.
There.
More water. More water. He's confused because there's ice in it. More water.
Again.
More water. 5 water. 5 sip. More. 1 sip. 2
3,
sip. Sip first. I want to see.
4.
No, 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 no. Sip.
Why want ice? Why ice?
He doesn't like the ice in it. Wait! Does it feel the kids outrun you?
They can't outrun me. Maybe Lily can't, A can. You don't run me.
Yeah. Dito tayo sa High Street na layo ng lakad natin. Tingnan natin kung hanggang saan aabot ang mga paa. Bigat yarn.
And you turned into spaghetti pancakes.
Spaghetti.
No.
Daddy's phone. Daddy's phone.
That's what you call a walk.
Daddy's phone.
How about you sing the lullaby song? Can you sing the lullaby song?
No.
No? Why? Love you. Not good night. Just say bye. Ay, good night lang. Okay, good night. Ayaw niya ng bye. Gusto niya good night. Kasi pag bye, aalis ang mami. Uy! Loko-loko ang daddy. Good night. Since we're here na rin naman pala, I just realized na hindi ko pa pala napapakita sa inyo amenities maliban dito sa ating gym. So, I wanna show you, quick lang, yung ating swimming pool. We are hoping na sana buksan na nila to very soon. It's well taken care of. Every day nilang nililinis itong ating kiddie pool. And yung kiddie pool, guys, malaki siya actually. And then, doon yung adult pool. Tapos natutuwa ako kasi may mga upuan dyan that you can sit down, alam mo yun, habang nag-aantay. So, this is nice. Ayan. Ito daw, pwede na sana siyang swimmingan. Kaya lang, I don't know if you can see, meron pa dong something na ginagamit nila pang akyat doon. Meron pa silang tinatapos doon. So, ito, pag natanggal na nila yan, pwede nang i-open yung swimming pool. So, yun na naantay natin. Anyway, too much chika na. And then, ito yung magiging lounge. Nandoon yung sa kabila yung function room. But, pakita ko din sa yung kanilang playground. Yeah. So, ito yung another thing na inaantay natin. Yung playground. May ginagawa pa sila doon sa taas. Kaya hindi pa siya open. Pero magkakaroon ng swing dito. Ito yung parang umiikot-ikot. Dalawa yan. Tapos, yung slide. Tapos, seesaw. Tapos, yun yung parang, ano, kabayo. Ayan, dalawa sila. So, yun yung magiging playground ng kids. And then, meron tayo ditong dance studio. Hindi ko alam kung may tao. Ito yung ating dance studio. Fully equipped siya ng AC and everything. So, nung nakaraan, nandito kami ni Lily. Tapos, nag-play ako ng mga songs. Tapos, sumayaw-sayaw siya dyan. And then nag-yoga-yoga kami dalawa dito. So, dito kami nag-yoga kasi yung yoga room, inaayos pa. Ayan yung playground. And then, doon yung swimming pool. Ayan, may toilet dito. Ayan, ito yung gym.
Verification successful.
It's Mommy! Where's my family? Nagluluto ko kanina ng sinigang. Naubusan na ng sabaw. So, ituloy natin yung luto. Pinalambot ko lang yung baboy. Yes, babe! Okay, bye, car! Hi, babe!
Hi, Mommy.
Love you. Paano yung na-miss ako? Paano? Paano yung na-miss ang mommy? Did you miss this, mama?
Paano?
Paano yung na-miss si mommy? Paano yung na-miss mo na si mommy? gagamit na ako ng ating facial serum. Ayan. So, kasama to guys sa ating Radiant set. Ayan. Super hydrating at saka moisturizing dito sa face.
Vegetables na nabili natin for sinigang, may halo na siyang talong. And hindi ko makain ng talong yung aking mga bulilid. So, pinrito ko na lang siya para may ulam ako. So, yung lutong-luto kasi talaga. So, kulang pa yan sa luto. Tuin pa natin siya. And then yung ating sinigang, ready na to eh. Ready na siya. Perfect. Kain na tayo. Ganyan yung gusto kong luto ng talong. Yung talagang halos parang sunog na siya. Gusto ko yung may kulay talaga. For ate. Ate Lily. At ang mapaparami ang kain ngayon ay ako. Ayan, brown rice, a fiber. Tapos, oh my gosh. Hindi ko alam paano ko kakainin yung soup tsaka yung ano natin ito. Kaya tayo.
And I only wish for one thing, to grow old with you.